Irashaimase, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Reiko. The other day I had a barbecue party with music and usual food like sausages, burgers, salads, and my specialty, Japanese and Indian curry. Check my another recipe on the YouTube, please. The link is below. But this was one of the most popular dish, which is called Takoyaki. Now, tako means octopus and yaki means grill. So each this little bowl should have tako, octopus inside. But you may not want to eat octopus, or it might be difficult to get octopus, so I arranged it with a little bit more easier ingredients for you today. Now, takoyaki is originated in Osaka, which is closer to Kyoto, and it's a street food and snacky food. So it's perfect for the barbecue party, or if you are having a fancy Japanesy party, it's quite nice. It's because one is about this size and it's nice and easy to pick and eat. So I'll show you how to do it, yeah? Ingredients are, for the takoyaki base, self-raising flour, eggs, Japanese dashi, pinch of salt. So these are the base. For the inside, this is a cooked prawn, crab stick, and this is a sushi ginger. I chopped it into small pieces, and Savoy cabbage, spring onion, and then Japanese usually use tenkasu, which is when you cook tempura, there's a little bit of things floating around in the oil. Japanese use that for this, but it's not easy to get here, so I'm gonna use fried onion, which gives a crunchy flavor with an extra sweety, little sweet taste. So these are for the takoyaki, and then the topping, you need a okonomiyaki sauce. If you haven't got the okonomiyaki sauce, you can use the oyster sauce, and then Japanese mayonnaise. Again, if you can't get this one, normal mayonnaise is fine. And then aonori. This is a green nori, basically nori chopped into weeny pieces, right? So these are the ingredients. Oh, most importantly, you need this. This is takoyaki pan. You can go online and get it, or check up the link below, right? So it's not difficult to get at all. So let's make a base, takoyaki base first. Put the self-raising flour in the bowl, and then the egg. Crack the egg. 1, 2, and then dashi, and then pinch of salt. Now you might have noticed my recipes are slightly lower in salt, because Japanese cooking, if there is any problem, they are slightly high in salt, right? So I'm trying to use less salt as much as I can. But if you prefer slightly stronger taste, please put the salt a little bit more, okay? And then mix it, and the water, little bit by little bit, until you get the smooth, like a pancake dough. Whistle while you work. If you can whistle, I'm sure you're better than me. I think it's nearly there. All smooth now. Now it's ready. Now pan have to be hot before you start cooking. If you are using a barbecue grill, put it aside of the grill. It's because it doesn't need a strong heat. It takes a little bit of time to cook, so all you need is a slow heat. Okay? And then start oiling the pan like this. It's a vegetable oil. And then with a kitchen towel, basically you want the oil to go everywhere, right? Okay, like this. And then pour the dough. But the heat have to be low heat, because this takes a bit of time to cook, so you don't want too strong heat. Means just cook outside, the inside hasn't cooked. Right. And then I'll put the prawn, these two. So the prawn, the main ingredients, just like that, okay? And then I will use the crab stick, this side, oops daisy. And then the Savoy cabbage, you can put it all around. Just sprinkle evenly, yeah? Important evenly. It doesn't matter whether it's in the cube or not, just sprinkle evenly. All right? And then the spring onion, again, evenly. The key is you have to chop these ingredients into small pieces, right? Not too big. Okay, if it's big one, it's very difficult to handle. And then the ginger. Oh, it's mouth-watering already. It's lovely, lovely smell coming. Hey-ho. And then, finally, the fried onion. Oh, this gives an extra crunchy flavor. Like that. Lovely, lovely. Evenly. And then finally, after all these ingredients are in, you pour the base again. And it will fill out from the little circle round things, but that doesn't matter. That's what we want. So just wait until one side is cooked. Right now it's about 3 to 4 minutes. You can see the bottom is getting cooked, but top is still not cooked, right? But let's separate each one of them, yeah? So what we do is with a very thin, something like this, okay? Just separate each one of them, like that, okay? And then there, and here like that, okay? And then we'll start turning around. If one side, the other side is not cooked, you can't turn easily, right? This you can turn quite easily, look. Right, so you turned once, right? And it doesn't look like a ball, nice ball. But don't worry, you're going to turn and turn, I would say every 2-3 minutes, and then put all these messy bits inside this bowl, and at the end, it's going to be nice and round ball. So it will take time, but don't worry, be patient. Right now, it's been cooking about 5-6 minutes now since we turned with a very slow heat. And first you worry with it's going to be nice and round ball, look, but it is. See, so just keep turning, not too often, but time by time until you get the nice round ball like this. Now, and it's ready. Now all you need is put the sauce. First mayonnaise, like that. And then okonomiyaki sauce. Now other way around. Right. And then aonori. This is the last bit. Ooh, looks good, doesn't it? This is Japanese street food, takoyaki. Itadakimasu! Yum, yum! Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. All ingredients the links are below, so please check it. And I'm releasing the recipe as much as I can, so please tune in and don't forget to subscribe. Itadakimasu!